तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा
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 अक्षयलिंगा आत्मलिंगा
अक्षयलिंगा आत्मलिंगा
अक्षयलिंगा आत्मलिंगा
अक्षयलिंगा आत्मलिंगा
तेजोमय विग्रहलिंगा
तेजोमय विग्रहलिंगा
तेजोमय विग्रहलिंगा
तेजोमय विग्रहलिंगा
इह पर सुखदायका ईशा इह पर सुखदायका
इह पर सुखदायका ईशा इह पर सुखदायका
इह पर सुखदायका साई इह पर सुखदायका
इह पर सुखदायका साई इह पर सुखदायका
अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा
अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा
अक्षयलिंगा आत्मलिंगा
अक्षयलिंगा आत्मलिंगा
तेजोमय विग्रहलिंगा
तेजोमय विग्रहलिंगा
इह पर सुखदायका ईशा इह पर सुखदायका
इह पर सुखदायका ईशा इह पर सुखदायका
इह पर सुखदायका साई इह पर सुखदायका
इह पर सुखदायका साई इह पर सुखदायका
ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः
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 अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
सांब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
नर्तन सुंदर नटन मनोहर
नटन सुंदर नटन मनोहर
नर्तन सुंदर नटन मनोहर
नटन सुंदर नटन मनोहर
नाट्य प्रिय कर नटनेश्वरा
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 नाट्य प्रिय कर
नाट्य प्रिय कर नटनेश्वरा
सांब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
सांब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
नर्तन सुंदर नटन मनोहर
नटन सुंदर नटन मनोहर
नाट्य प्रिय कर नटनेश्वरा
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 सांब सदा शिव साईश्वरा अम्ब शङ्करि परमेश्वरि शशिशेखरि अम्बा
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 सर्वेश्वरि जगदीश्वरि माहेश्वरि अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरि जगदीश्वरि माहेश्वरि अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरि जगदीश्वरि माहेश्वरि अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरि जगदीश्वरि माहेश्वरि
हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करी परमेश्वरी शशिशेखरी अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करी परमेश्वरी शशिशेखरी अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
सर्वेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी माहेश्वरी अम्बा
सुन्दरी गुणमञ्जरी शिवशङ्करी अम्बा
अम्ब सुन्दरी गुणमञ्जरी शिवशङ्करी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
कादम्बरी श्वेताम्बरी हरिसोदरी अम्बा
अम्ब शङ्करी परमेश्वरी शशिशेखरी अम्बा
वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंदा नंदानंद गोप वृंद नारायण गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा नंद नंद गोप वृंद नारायण
श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश श्रित जन परिपाला साईशा श्रित जन परिपाला साईशा श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश तिरुमल गिरिवासा गोविंदा तिरुमल गिरिवासा गोविंदा गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा गोविंद गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंद 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 प्रतिवास गोविंद 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 प्रतिवास गोविंद श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश श्रित जन परिपाला साईशा श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश तिरुमल गिरिवासा गोविंदा गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा गोविंद गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंद 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 प्रतिवास गोविंद 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंद 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंद 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 प्रतिवास गोविंद 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 प्रतिवास गोविंद श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश
रामदूता हे राम भक्ता हे रामदासा नमो नमो हे रामदूता हे राम भक्ता हे रामदासा नमो नमो हे रामदूता हे राम भक्ता हे रामदासा नमो नमो सीता माता शोक विनाश सीता माता शोक विनाश अनाथ नाथ नमो नमो अनाथ नाथ नमो दूता हे राम भक्ता हे रामदासा नमो नमो हे रामदूता हे राम भक्ता हे रामदासा नमो नमो सीता माता शोक विनाशा अनाथ नाथा नमो नमो मारुतिराया महानुभावा मारुतिराया महानुभावा अति बलवंता नमो नमो वीरांजनेया नमो नमो हे रामदूता हे राम भक्ता हे रामदासा नमो नमो
ओम शिवाय 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 शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर 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 ओम शिवाय 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 शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय शंभो शंकर ओम शिवाय
Sai Ram. All of us would like to be close to God. And when I say close, I am not meaning like a frog in a pond which is close to a lotus. I would rather be like a honeybee that comes from far but is able to imbibe the sweet essence of the flower. As Swami would put it, dearness is much more important than nearness to God. So how do we go close to God? What kind of effort should I put in so that I become dear to Him? Swami's precise answer to this question is sure to inspire and motivate us to do exactly that. In a candid conversation with the students at Kodaikanal in the 1990s, Swami answered this very question: how does one attain God? The video is of a bit lower quality and the audio is not very clear. But then the content is of a very high quality and the message is very, very clear. Watch it yourself.
How to reach? How to reach?
देखो अभी आफ्टर लंच आफ्टर डिनर टिफिन स्वामी जी के पास जल्दी जल्दी आ सकता है, ट्राई करता है। एक किसी में बैक सीट में हो सकता है, एक किसी में फ्रंट सीट में मिल सकता है। तुम्हारी इंटरेस्ट प्रेमा दैट इज नाउ दैट इज तुमको कितना जल्दी आता है बढ़ता है और मैंने दूर बैठता बस इस प्रत्यक्ष स्वामी जी के नियर स्वामी कितना जल्दी जाने की बहुत इच्छा है इनर फोर्स स्वामी ఇంటర్నల్ ఒక అఫెక్షన్ బాగా ఉంచి ఉంటే నేను వచ్చేసేస్తావు దగ్గరికి. ఇంటర్నల్ అఫెక్షన్ సరిగా లేకపోతే దూరంగా కూర్చోండి.
The question is how to reach God. Bhagavan gives us an example of just what is happening now. Worldly example. Now we are there in the dining hall. When Bhagavan sits here, we'll run immediately, we'll dash, we'll rush at high speed and take the first seat. Why? Because of the interest we have. When there is affection inner, internal affection, then we'll go there. When we don't have that interest, when there is no internal affection, we will have the back seat.
ఇక్కడ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అఫెక్షన్ రెండు ఉంటుంటే ఫోర్స్ చేస్తుంది.
When there is interest and affection coupled together, that will force you.
Interest and affection, those are the two key terms. With God, as in any other human relationship, it is a two-way process. God's grace is just one terminal in the electrical circuit, the other terminal being human effort and yearning. Both are essential for the divine current to flow. Let's take up the first term, interest. Am I interested in God? Am I interested in Swami? If we consider a worldly example, let's take a sports star of whom I am a fan. Even though I have never met him in life or interacted with him, I follow him on Facebook, Twitter, all social media. I'm aware of his life story and every achievement of his. That is why I'm a true fan, right? If I claim that I'm interested in Swami, it goes without saying that I must follow him, right? Not on social media, in real life. Like a true fan, am I familiar with all his works? Have I read all the Vahinis? Have I gone through all the discourses? Have I heard those discourses? All of these are available online for us so easily. And yet, have we gone through all of them? Have I gone through the Satyam Shivam Sundaram, which is the story of his life? The next term that Swami speaks about is affection. The question may be asked, is it possible to love Swami and have affection for him when we have not interacted with him or even seen him? It is definitely possible, say the lives of Tukaram, Mirabai, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ramadas, Saint Francis of Assisi, all those glorious devotees of the Lord. I am reminded of a beautiful incident that took place in the Brindavan campus of the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning at Bangalore. So there was a student who was yearning to get near to Swami, close to Swami, especially during the Trai sessions. Trai sessions are private and intimate sessions between the students and staff and Swami, and it is hosted at Bhagwan's own residence, Trai Brindavan. Since the student was not able to get the front lines any day, one day he decided to bunk and scam the lines and go ahead. But as luck would have it, he got caught. And once again the teacher in charge sent him right back to the end. He was again last to enter Trai Brindavan. As the Trai session began and this boy was feeling very bad, Swami suddenly beckoned to him and called him to come right up to the front. Everyone turned around to see who is this boy that is receiving so much of love and grace from Bhagwan. Once he came front, Swami said, "You know why I have brought him front? Because this boy was crying for me." And as this boy heard Bhagwan's words, he was once again in tears. See, that is what God does to us. We come to him crying and shedding tears. He touches our life and we continue to shed tears. The only difference being, in the first case, they were hot tears of sorrow, and now they are the cool tears of joy and bliss. As this overwhelmed boy sat at Bhagwan's lotus feet, Swami continued to say, "When I walk out for darshan, everyone is crying." Now this might seem strange for us because for those of us who have attended darshans, we know that there may be a few people who are crying and shedding tears when Bhagwan comes, but it is not the case where everyone is crying. But the next sentence from Bhagwan made it very clear what he meant. Swami said, "When I go for darshan, everybody is crying, but my gaze falls upon them who are crying for me." it becomes so clear that all of us sit and yearn and crave for many things, our own petty desires, money, power, relationship, whatnot, worldly glory. But those of us who crave and yearn for Swami, Swami is waiting. He is waiting to come to us and shower grace on us. In the book Conversations with Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, Dr. John Hislop records a beautiful statement that Bhagwan makes. Swami says, if the desire to communicate with Swami is sufficiently intense and strong, then the mind will become sufficiently quiet for Swami to speak. The problem is, you lack that intensity. How do I get that intensity? Dear brothers and sisters, in my humble personal experience, one of the best ways to get it is to pray for it. Really. We sit at the altar of our hearts or at our homes and ask for 100 things from Swami. Can't I just ask Swami, Swami, I want to love you, Swami. I want to have intense love for you. Nothing else I want. Because Bhagwan is waiting to grant this to us. This was the discovery of one little boy in the early days of the college.
Swami next wanted a permanent hostel building and asked Colonel Joga Rao to do the needful. On the afternoon of the day prior to the proposed laying of the foundation stone, Swami came to the temporary hostel.
Even as he was entering the hostel, one small boy who was studying in the first pre-university class, he gave Swami a letter. Swami took that letter from him. He came inside and he sat down on the chair. And after he sat down on the chair, he casually opened this letter and read it. Swami seemed to be reading that letter for quite some time. Then Swami told that boy, can I ask the warden to read this? That boy said, Swami, it's your wish. He had written, Swami, why are you upset with us? Have we transgressed some discipline which is dear to you? If so, please tell us. Do not banish us from Vrindavan. Why are you building a hostel for us somewhere far away from your presence? If you say that you are really not unhappy with us, then Swami, break down this bungalow and build one next to the hostel where it's coming up. We are not particular that we should be here. We are particular that we should be with you, wherever it is. Just pin drop silence. The next question Swami asked was, Jogarao Ekada? And somebody said, Swami, Jogarao is in the making markings there behind the college. Swami said, call him. So a car was sent and he was brought immediately. And Swami said, see Jogarao, boys are feeling bad that the hostel is coming up so far away from Vrindavan. Colonel Jogarao protested. He said, no, Swami, it's not far away. It's only next compound. Then Swami looked at the principal and said, Principal Narendra was the principal then. He said, Principal, what do you feel? He said, Swami, these children are away from their parents. They have left their parents and come. They must be close to you, Swami. And Swami was very moved. He told Jogarao, change the plans. There was a tank and it was decided that inside the tank the hostel would be built. That is where we find the Vrindavan hostel today.
No wonder it is said that prayer is God's only weakness and man's only strength. May we grow in our interest of Bhagwan by following him and becoming familiar with all his works. And may we grow in our affection and love for him by praying and by yearning for it every day of our lives. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
Guru सच्चिदानन्द हरि तू अद्वितीय तू अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू। ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वरा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवर्धना श्रीकरा सर्व प्राणपते स्वामी सर्व प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपद्बान्धवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मरियं नीवे स्वामी मरियं नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयना। ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल हारति अंगुपम मंगल हारति अंगुपम मंगल गिरिधारी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा। शांति 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 सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सती साई महाराज की
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त